my passion project, I chose baking. I chose baking because it's very calming and I also like sweets. In the future, I would like to bake. Probably not as a job, but maybe as a hobby. What we need for our cake is cake mix, eggs, water, oil, and icing. First, we add our cake mix to a bowl. Then we add 3 eggs. Then we add a half cup of oil and 1/4 cup of water, which I actually misread as 11 1/4 cups, but I fixed that. Now it's time to mix our batter. Now let's move that aside and pour it into our pan, right after we butter it. Since the batter was dreadful, I tried adding chocolate chips to make it better, but it really didn't help. So let's just move on to our second cake. Now we repeat the process. And wow, we have our second cake, which is actually in a glass bowl because I ran out of cake pans. I also forgot to preheat the oven, so that's what I'm doing right now. Once the oven's preheated, I put both of my cakes in. Now we wait 40 minutes. This is how the first cake turned out. Hopefully I can fix that. The second turned out better-ish, but I can fix it. Here's the bottom layer with the cake kind of pieced on. So now I'm just putting on icing to make it a little bit more stable. Now that that's decent, I'm gonna put on the second layer. Now that that's on, I'm gonna decorate the top. I completely gave up on this cake, but it's a cake. I learned that I need to be more patient to remember important things and get resources beforehand. If I could go back in time, I would tell myself to be more patient and more prepared.